Hello, welcome to Writing 393, Advanced Technical Writing. This quick overview video will give you a tour of the online space that we do the class in and also give you some idea of how to get started with week one. As you know, our weeks begin on Wednesdays of each week and end on Tuesday. So today, on the first day of class, I'm going to go over week one with you. So first thing you want to do is go under content. This is going to house the lessons for each week as well as the syllabus tab and other goodies that are important for you. So let's go here. Under content, you will see the course overview, which gives an overview of the class, lets you know what kind of things we'll be going over while we're in the class, and talks about the course objectives and so on. We have a section here that just houses all of the sample papers for Writing 393. And then we have our weeks here. So since we're in week one, we're going to click week one. And we're going to look at our introduction here. So it just says, welcome to week one of Writing 393. It talks about what we'll do this week. It also mentions the 2 discussion topics that we will work on this week as well. This class is very discussion board heavy, meaning we will have at least 2 discussion topics every single week. So please keep that in mind. On the syllabus, the major assignments are listed, not the discussion boards. But please know that when you click into each week, you'll have a space for your resources that you should read and view before you begin, and then your assignments under it. If you only have discussions, you'll have a discussions tab here. If you have a major assignment, there'll be an additional tab underneath. If you notice in week one, all we have here is our Unit 1 learning resources and our week 1 discussions. So once we complete reading the introduction, you want to click on the learning resources. That's probably my favorite tab in every week because it is chock full of great information. And if you notice, we have a hyperlink here. If you see it in blue, go ahead and click it. And then we have all of these things that we need to read and view. You want to make sure you read this link here, What is Technical Writing? You want to click the next one under here once you're finished, the 10 Golden Rules of Technical Communication. You want to click this link here, 9 Technical Writing Tips Every Writer Needs to Know. And then you need to read the following 3 articles on personas in technical writing to ensure that you get the information you need for our first major assignment. Once you read those 3 things, you want to click on Know Your Audience, and then here is an additional link for sample papers for Writing Assignment 1 and Writing Assignment 2. And we have one of the most important pieces of resources in this chapter, in this week, which is our video tutorial. It's how to approach writing assignments number 1 and 2 and Writing 393. I strongly suggest that you make some time to watch the Unit 1 Learning Resources video tutorial because it's going to go over these assignments very specifically and make sure that it answers most of the questions that I anticipate that you'll have on these 2 assignments. So before you even think of getting those assignments done, please, please, please take 11 minutes, grab a snack, grab a drink, and watch this Unit 1 Learning Resources video tutorial. Once you're done, you can click on Unit 1 Discussions, and you can get started with those. We have our Discussion 1 here and our Discussion 2 here. There's no reason to go outside of the Content tab to get the resources or work on the assignments. You can simply click, and it'll take you right there. There you go. And if you click the other one, it'll take you right there. So that's really all I wanted you to know for week 1. You also will have an announcement posted every single Wednesday between, either the morning or the nighttime. But before the end of the day on Wednesday, you will have a week overview posted in the announcements. Please make sure you read the announcement every week. Please make sure you're in your content tab. Check in every week for resources and assignments and discussions. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to go to our Ask Your Professor tab. That's right here, which I have a question I need to respond to, so I'll do that in a few minutes. But make sure you click on your Ask the Professor tab to ask questions that pertain to the course. These questions are very important, and this is a great way to make sure that everybody benefits from the questions that you ask. So please, please, please make it your business to ask all of your content related questions here in Ask Your Professor. I'm going to make sure that I'm subscribed here so that I can get an email when I have an Ask Your Professor question. And I will try my best to get back to you here within 24 to 28 hours. Please, 24 to 48 hours, excuse me. Please give me time to get to this. If somehow it's beyond 48 hours and I don't answer your Ask the Professor question, then feel free to send me an email at my UMGC email just to sort of alert me that I have something waiting on me, and I'll make sure that I get on top of that right away. Hopefully that is an overview that's helpful for week 1. I wish you a fantastic term. I'm excited for you to be in this class, and I look forward to working with you this term. Please have a fantastic week.